Hey guys, today I'm going to make some onion chicken. So let's get crocking. This is going to be easy, only 3 ingredients. This is a sweet Italian red onion, so I'm going to cut that up. I guess any type of onion would work for this, but that's what I had. I thought it was kind of pretty. And a package of French onion soup. This is a 1.4 ounce package. That's Knorr onion soup. And bought this package of, of organic chicken thighs. These were $8.99 a pound. That's all they had. But I live in Northern California, so chicken is getting kind of expensive around here. I don't usually buy organic chicken, but this is 1.71 pounds. So this tray of boneless, skinless chicken thighs costs $15.37. That's kind of crazy, but it'll be good chicken. Don't get me wrong. Organic chicken is very good chicken. It's just expensive. So let me get this opened up and rinsed off and get that onion cut up, and we'll get everything into the pot. I cut up my onion and put it in the bottom of the pot. I cut it in pretty good sized chunks. It doesn't really matter. And then I put the chicken thighs on top. I guess you could use breasts for this if you wanted. Probably be cheaper. Okay, now I'm just going to sprinkle the onion soup on the top of the chicken there. Okay, that looks pretty good. And you know, I think I'm going to add just a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper as well. Besides pepper, this just has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. There's no salt in it, so I use this a lot, so we'll put a little bit of that on top, and we'll get the lid on there. I didn't add any liquid to this. It's just a dry slow cooker, so that'll make liquid as it cooks. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long that takes. I turned off the pot after 2.5 hours, but it's been sitting there for another hour, kind of cooling down, so let's see how it looks. So it's been in here 3.5 hours total. That looks like it's pretty tender, so you can see it's just starting to fall apart. Looks good. And see how much liquid that made? It made all that liquid on its own. So let me grab a plate and we'll try some of this out. This would be good with rice or potatoes, but I made a sandwich out of it. I had one of these rolls I bought in the bulk bin at the grocery store. Put some of those onions on top and a little bit of mayonnaise, and just see how this is like that. You could actually dip the roll in some of that juice too. Be like a French dip sandwich. Anyway, let's try this out. That's really good. It's got a nice sweetness to it, and it's not overly salty either. I guess we better see what Annie the taste test dog thinks. Want to try it, Annie? I guess she liked that. She's looking up for more. That makes a really good sandwich. Organic chicken is expensive, but it sure is good. So I let that cook for 2.5 hours, and then I shut it off, and it was in the pot for like 3.5 hours. So if you cooked it on low, it'd probably be 4 or 5 hours, I'm guessing, somewhere around there. Anyway, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.